Happy Saturday to y'all. How y'all doing this morning? Well, it's still morning. It's 11 o'clock. I just got out the shower. Well, I didn't just get out the shower. I'm just lying. I did some other stuff in between getting out the shower and all of that. About 30 minutes. But this morning, my brother, he stopped by here. I didn't know he had stopped by, of course. Oh, I'm getting ready to make me something to eat, y'all. It's 11 o'clock. Did I say that? I got some deli chicken here. I'm going to make me something to eat. I guess you could call this brunch, lunch, whatever. This is my first meal of the day. I'm kind of hungry, too. Let me cut this up, and I'm going to get it in the skillet. I guess I better turn the skillet on, huh? You can't cook with that. How y'all doing this Saturday? I ain't asked y'all how y'all was doing at all, did I? Just started running my mouth, as usual. But anyway, like I was saying, my brother said he had stopped something and dropped it by my mailbox. He didn't even knock on the door. So he left a message because I was doing something else and didn't answer the phone right when he called. So I called him back. I don't know why he drove down here because whatever he left, he could have waited. Because he was saying he was having a rough time. He was real tired. He had a rough night at work. You know, he worked nights. But anyway. So that's that for that. He was asking me, was I going somewhere? And I was like, And he was telling me it was real windy out. Well, if I go somewhere, it'll be later. Like I told him, I was thinking about going to Ross to get me some stuff for my cruise. But, you know, I'm just going to slowly look for things because a lot of my dresses are kind of big and falling all off my shoulders. So I was just looking for some little sundresses, some little cheap ones because, you know, I ain't trying to spend no whole lot of money on no clothes. I ain't trying to spend more than $100 if you just want no truth about it. Yeah, so that's that for that. Anyway, so what y'all doing today? Have you eaten breakfast yet? Or you doing like me? Eating you like a little lunch, a little light breakfast. Oh, that's 2 eggs I done put in the bowl. And some salt and pepper here. And my eggs. I'm getting ready to do them up. I'm going to have to turn this eye down, that's for sure. Y'all, I saw the thing. I saw a saying this week about the smallest deed is better than the greatest intention. You know what I'm saying? So, is it something you want to do? You got these grandiose ideas of what you want to do. Are you really doing it? Let me turn this down. I don't want it to cook too fast. Are you doing it? Are you doing anything? Are you doing what you set your mind that you say you was going to do? Or do you just have these grand ideas? Are you making a step towards it? That's what I'm saying, y'all. If you have some goals, you know you have some goals, start doing something towards your goals. Do a little something. Make one step. And you can trust God and have faith. But I was this song when I was growing up. We used to sing in church. One step. One step. All you have to do is take one step and He will do the rest. Oh yes, the rest. So one prayer. One prayer. All you have to do is say one prayer and He'll be standing there, standing right there. Come on, Amber. She think I can't sing, but baby, she don't know I'm harmonizing over here by myself. I ain't studying her. She ain't talking about nothing. She up cleaning up now. Can you believe it? It's a miracle. A miracle done happened today. Miracles. Anyway, so I'm going to have this, like I said, for my first meal. I don't think I'm going to do anything. I started watching the B movies, as my daughter called them, on Tubi last night, right? And they were actually pretty darn good, if I say so myself. So I think I'm going to find me a movie or two. That's the eggs. I'm putting a little mild cheddar cheese on it. And these are the La Banderita carb counter. This is the snack kind, 35 calories. Oh, I opened them already. I forgot. I'm just going to set this on top here. The egg is a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. It's 3 net carbs in these, y'all. These not the ones. These not the smaller ones. This not the street taco ones, you know, because there's no carbs in the street taco ones. Oh my God. Anyway, so are y'all getting ready for your big Super Bowl? My brother was telling me, now his team not in the Super Bowl. He was gonna get him some pizza and wings. How about y'all? Y'all cooking anything? Are you having a Super Bowl party? My daughter say this wasn't good. I don't know. I normally get the spicy guacamole, but I'm gonna have some guacamole. Let me put this in the sink, y'all. I'm gonna have some guacamole on my egg thing this morning. Yes, I am. And let me put this pepper shakers up. Get me some salsa out. Ooh, that looks good. Y'all see it? It look good, don't it? Yes, it does. Looks delicious. I be forgetting. I just be up in here trying to record half the time, and then it be the darn camera be low. The battery, I be forgetting to charge the battery up beforehand. Anyway, but I'm just about done. I'm gonna sit down and eat something, and it's gonna be delicious, delicious, delicious. Yes, it is. Put my guac here and me some salsa on my plate. I think I might have me some shrimp today. Some shrimp, and my brother was talking about some coconut shrimp. So I think I'm gonna have me some shrimp and some ooh, that's good. Y'all, there we go. That's my breakfast, breakfast, brunch. Anyway, I just want to kind of come in and just talk to y'all this morning while I was fixing breakfast. I hope y'all have a happy and blessed day and are doing something absolutely fun today, if it's just home relaxing or whatever you're doing. I thank you for joining me and always stopping by to see me. I want you to know you're loved. I love you, but God truly loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. Love you. Bye. And who knows, I might see y'all later on today when I have my little dinner. Anyway, bye y'all. Love you.